I really enjoyed being part of Picnic. I loved it. My days and weeks are filled with the various demands of businesses and our family foundation. What Picnic allowed was kind of a creative break and an opportunity to learn about the process of being creative.
The real gift of Picnic is less so in the curriculum and more so through the process that Fresh Produce and TED put you through. It slows you down enough and gives you some tools, some practical tools, some proven processes to go through that help you dream again. And look, I think if you're thinking about Picnic, isn't that what you're really after? A new way of solving an existing problem?
In some ways it formalizes some of what we might ideally do to the work or project. The whole idea of developing ideas in a deliberate way and then asking for feedback to refine those ideas is no doubt useful in lots of areas of our lives.
We don't feel like our product blends in with everybody else's, so why would we want our branding to blend in with everybody else? And so I would say somebody that thrives in Picnic is somebody that's has this desire to be a little bit different, to want to stand out.
The biggest surprise with Picnic was how much more we learned about ourselves and who we wanted to be than we anticipated. They really helped us to think a little bit differently, think bigger. We went in with more of a like, hey, this is going to be a branding exercise. And it just turned into so much more where it really evolved into who are we? What do we want to stand for? How are we going to articulate that?
So what Picnic did for me is it placed me face to face with a handful of other people who were in a similar place in their journey, trying to remember just what it sounds like when we get to sound like us.
We could come out the other side really having this focus of where we wanted to be, how we maybe wanted to market ourselves, but also it really helped our community get behind a single push, because what's come out of it since then has been nothing short of a pretty epic marketing campaign we've done for our community of Falkton.
It's a valuable process that enriched my life and can enrich people's lives.